Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Apple TV 4K, set up an iCloud sign-in step by step clearly. Unbox your Apple TV 4K and remove all packaging materials. Locate the power adapter and connect it to the Apple TV. Plug the other end of the power adapter into a wall outlet. Connect your Apple TV to your television using an HDMI cable. Turn on your television and select the HDMI input where your Apple TV is connected. You will see the Apple logo as your Apple TV powers up. Once initialized, choose your preferred language from the on-screen options. Select your country or region to ensure correct settings. You will now see options to connect to Wi-Fi. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list displayed. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Tap Join to connect to the network. After connecting to Wi-Fi, you will have the option to set up using an iPhone, iPad, or manually. If using an iPhone or iPad, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your device. Position your iPhone or iPad near the Apple TV to initiate the setup process. You'll receive a prompt on your iPhone or iPad to use it for setup. Follow the on-screen instructions on both your Apple TV and iPhone or iPad. If you prefer to set up manually, select Set up manually on your Apple TV. Enter your Apple ID and password when prompted to sign in to iCloud. If you don't have an Apple ID, you can create one directly from the setup screen. After signing in, you may be asked to enable features like Siri and location services. Review the terms and conditions and accept them to proceed. Your Apple TV will then configure settings based on your preferences. Next, choose whether to enable or disable screen time. Once the setup is complete, you'll see the main Apple TV interface. Take a moment to explore available apps and settings. Your Apple TV 4K is now set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.